Welcome to the updated tutorial video for the Dulux Color Atlas plugin for Revit. In addition to 2013 and 2014, the plugin is now available in Revit 2015. New features of the plugin. As with the previous version, all your decorative colors are available and accessible through the color palette, color wheel and color groups. But it now includes two new tabs, a powder coat tab and a metallics and safety colors tab. There is an updated settings window, which now allows you to set up custom naming prefixes and suffixes for all Dulux Revit materials and a manual Update Now function. The plugin now also has the capability to paint in the family editor as well as split faces. Let's take a look at the two new tabs. The powder coat tab. A selection of externally durable Dulux powder coat finishes are now available within the plugin. By clicking on the logos at the top of the plugin window, the palette is further refined into the different powder coat ranges. In order to go back to the complete range, simply click on the Click here to view all link or another tab, and then reselect the powder coat tab. As with version 1 of the plugin, the information window can be accessed, providing further details on the selected product. In addition, by right-clicking and selecting Save to Palette, you can store selected finishes to a custom palette to assist in streamlining your workflows. The hyperlink at the top of the plugin window links back to the Dulux Powder Coats website. Painting in the family editor is now much easier. In this example, we will paint the window frames with a powder coat. By selecting a window and opening the family editor, then selecting a color from the Dulux Color Atlas plugin. In this example, we have selected Reef Gloss. You can paint the frame of the window. Once the window frame has been painted, minimize the plugin, click Load into Project, override existing version, and all of the window frames have now been painted throughout the project. The Metallic Safety tab. A specific selection of Dulux protective coatings are now incorporated within the plugin under the Metallics and Safety Colors tab. Functionality is similar to the Powder Coat tab, in that you can search by clicking on the brand-specific logos or the arrows at the bottom of the window, or by scrolling with the mouse wheel. Rendering the indicative finish of the metallic paints is now easily achievable, as the JPEG rendering assets are attached to the paints. As an example, by painting this wall face, changing the view to realistic and zooming in, you are able to see the indicative textured patterns on the screen. Alternatively, the 3D view may be rendered in full. As you can see, there is an indicative metallic fleck throughout the face of the wall. Painting split faces. The plugin now has the capability to paint split faces. By clicking on the Split Face button and, in this example, creating a hexagonal boundary and selecting a paint, you can now paint the split face. Color schedules. Lastly, as with the previous versions of the plugin, generating material takeoffs is easy. This functionality is a powerful tool, allowing you to quickly and efficiently create detailed color schedules to accompany your project. In this example, we can see safety colors, quantum effects, and powder coat materials. Each material has an associated URL that links back to the detailed product information online. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little more about the Dulux Color Atlas plugin for Revit. We hope you find this to be a valuable tool for adding Dulux products and automating the painting process within Revit.